Hello, my talented followers. This is Emma. You are on my YouTube channel. And today, as usually, I'm going to be trading on pocket option, sharing every trade and every decision with you. And I wanted to spice up today's session, and I thought what would be a great way to do it. So I decided to do one thing I do best, which is to rely on help of bunch of indicators and isolators, my superheroes of the day, a whole team that's going to be helping me make the most informed decisions and hopefully great profits. So let's get this party started. But first of all, I'm going to pick candles and one for the time frame, and I'm going to enable the timer. And let's do it. The Keltner channel. Then I'm going to need the super trend. Then I'm going to need the fractal chaos bands. I'm also going to need the Williams percentage rate. Let me place $110 as my first bid. And let's go right away. Do you see what I see? I hope you do, if that's not first time you watching my video. We are expecting a breakdown below the support zone. Take a look to the left, right there. The super trend supports the short and the fractal line is being broken. So the only way here is the way down. We are choosing the put option and we are waiting for that drop. And while we're waiting, I just wanted to quickly remind you that if you love the idea of the educational approach to strategy and you love the idea of building long-term consistent results, I got my amazing Telegram channel just for you. The link is right below this video, and everything I know and learn about trading daily is waiting for you there. Ooh, yes, and the first profit is here, $211. Great start. I think it's truly amazing how you can start making money right away. Okay, also choosing the right asset pairs is very important, so let's explore this option here. Ta-da, let's see. Okay, time to get the bids up. $200 for the next one. And I see, interesting. Okay, so the price is currently consolidating above the Keltner channel midline. And I am anticipating a higher move because Williams still got the room. And I'm also expecting a breakout above the super trend line. So only up and up here. We are growing. Look at those candles. Getting bigger and bigger. And so is my wallet. I love watching this process. It just makes me so satisfied when I see the results of my actions. $384. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Exactly what I'm talking about. We are on the right path and I'm gonna keep going. Let's pick ourselves a new pair with a lot of great potential and clear trends. Okay, that actually looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to bump the bid to $300. And guys, take a closer look. A strong support level is confirmed. And I'm expecting a breakout above the midline of the channel. And fractal line in this case acts as a support. And what about Williams? Well, Williams is coming up from the oversold. There is a strong bullish signal, so it is definitely time to buy. We are going for long here. Call option it is. Do you remember that great song from the 90s? Someone please call 911. God, I really gotta start taking that singing lessons. But the grooves are so good. Total vibe check. $576. What about the profit check? Beyond amazing. Oh, we are doing so good, darlings. So good. Time for the next pair. Let's see if Canadian and Yena. Well, I think it will. $400. I just placed, and since we are continuing to move in the downward sloping channel, it is definitely time to sell. Look, all the indicators support further downside movement. And I am expecting a support zone breakdown. You see? Check the candle wicks to the left. They say a lot about the future. Okay, time to sell, time to get that drop. And a couple of red candles. That's all we need to secure the profit. Darlings, and if you want to build consistent results and explore more trading opportunities, I offer it to you in my TG channel. The link is right below this video. And if you're not there, I honestly don't get what you're looking for, because you can start today, $732. Yes. Yes, and yes again. I am so thrilled. We'll be focused. So let's see what this pair holds in store for us. And $500 is my next beat. Okay, so guys, we are going to enter right away on a minor pullback from oversold, expecting continued downward move. You see, the price broke below and now it's consolidating under both support and the fractal lines. Take a look right there. Oh, and the super trend, it's still far above, so all signs point to a short. Time for a drop once again. $935. The greatest feeling in the world. Seeing the results of your actions. Nothing can compare, really, honestly. Okay, another asset pair. And I think I need something here. Right away. That extra tool is absolutely necessary. The parallel channel, that is right. And guys, the reason I drew it, well, first let me increase the beat. So we are consistent, 600 for this one. So the reason why I drew a parallel channel here was to assess the price reaction. Take a look here. The reaction is weak, not really significant. And there is a hammer pattern, which is a bullish signal. And looking at all this, I am expecting a further upward move. The Williams still shows there is a pretty good big room for a climb, and the price is above the Keltner channel midline. So I'm also anticipating the super trend breakout. It's going up and nothing can stop it, and nothing can stop me from a call option. Time to get it up. Growth is happening and I'm so enjoying it. Yes, $1,146. Wow. Guys, did you just see that? I mean, I started with $110. Yeah, pretty much nothing. And I ended up having almost $2,000 in my account. $1,984, but I'm gonna round it up to 2,000 because what's 16 bucks anyway? And I was able to get all that using the precise strategies and my knowledge and my skills. And if you feel inspired, I will be more than happy to teach you how to get new trading opportunities and how to build those consistent results every time. You are more than welcome to check out my TG channel. The link is right below this video. And everything I know and use in my trading journey, every time I trade, I share with you right there. So do not miss your chance. I will see you there. I will also see you here on this channel very, very soon. Stay awesome and enjoy your day.